Hello from JP Logan Homes. Completing a successful home buying journey may be difficult, especially for those who do not plan ahead. In fact, high-pressure situations may arise that lead you to make rash home buying decisions. And if you make the wrong choices, you risk paying an exorbitant price to acquire your dream residence. There is no reason to let high-pressure situations cause you to make poor decisions. I wanted to share this tip to help you map out your home buying journey so you know exactly how to handle any high-pressure situations that come your way. Always consider maintaining flexibility. A high-pressure home buying situation may make you feel like you are backed into a corner. However, it is important to remember that options are always available. And if you take a deep breath and step back and review a high-pressure home buying situation closely, you can determine the best course of action. Those who maintain flexibility as they try to acquire their dream home may be better equipped than others to handle high-pressure home buying situations. Because if you maintain flexibility throughout the home buying journey, you can take an objective view of the options at your disposal and proceed accordingly. Feel free to check out our listings of homes for sale in Washington, D.C. and Maryland at www.homesjplogan.com or send us a message to receive your no-cost home valuation and learn how we will strive to have your house sold in 30 to 60 days tops.